So the IRS has now agreed to share tax information with the Department of Homeland Security to basically deport taxpayers, also known as illegal immigrants. Unauthorized immigrants, right?
Illegal immigrants. Yeah. We can't call them illegals, right? You told me that before the show started.
And then I still said it, yes. Unauthorized. So they basically are going to share names, addresses from tax filers using their taxpayer identification numbers, because a lot of them don't have Social Security numbers. So they're paying into this. And some other articles, there's about undocumented households paid $90 billion in taxes in 2023. And that includes $56 billion of federal and $34 billion of state and local taxes. And they're estimating over the next decade, it's about $313 billion in revenue we will not get taxes collected because of basically you're scaring away people from filing their taxes. If you're not deporting them, anybody who's here is not going to file taxes because that's just going to put you on a list of people that are going to be in trouble and getting deported.
And how much could tax revenues fall because of this?
Over the next decade, it'd be about $313 billion. So over $1 trillion, over $250 billion won't be collected in revenue.
Over $300 billion per year, potentially.
This is over 10 years.
10 years,
so per year, it's about anywhere for federal, it's about $56 billion a year in federal, about $50 billion a year.
We talked about this last time. I think it's like $100 billion total from authorized immigrants,
yes,
unauthorized workers that are paying taxes here. I mean, I was listening to somebody from Doge on the All In podcast talking about this at Effort. And I mean, this could be used for good or for evil, right? It's like we want, I would argue that we want the immigrants here who are working and paying taxes and contributing to our economy. And you should agree with me, especially if you want more manufacturing in the US, because it's not like David and I are going to go get manufacturing jobs, right? We're podcasters. Most Americans do not want to freaking work in a factory. Like, who's going to go do that? What your Gen Z kid is going to go work in a factory making stuff? No, I'm sorry. Like, we need to import people if we're going to do it. So you can't have it both ways, right? You can't kick all the, people who weren't born here out of the country and then at the same time raise tariffs and say, we're going to reshore manufacturing.